Hey, this is Mark in for Des with the stock market update for November 26, 2013. Well, happy Thanksgiving to everybody as we approach this Thanksgiving holiday. Let's take a look at today's number. Kind of a doji day on Wall Street. S&P 500 fell in the last half hour all the way down to 0.03 on the plus side, and the Dow, which was up, dropped all the way to basically zero. So two dojis there. However, in the tech stocks and the Nasdaq, boom, it was up 0.58%, closing at 4,017. That is the highest it has been in 13 years. First time it's closed over 4,000 since September of the year 2000. Then we have the small caps up 0.86. Nice boom on today. And bank was also up, confirming the up move, but the VIX also increased, mostly at the very end of the day. People were selling off in the last half hour. I think it was a lot of profit taking because most people are not going to be trading for the next 5 days due to the holiday, so they were rebalancing their accounts for the end of the month. Then we have the commodities. Gold and silver were both down fairly strongly, as well as oil was down. But then look at here, we have the dollar up strongly, over 1% it was up. That's a very strong move to the downside, which should indicate a strong move to the upside up here, but did not. The trend is in the bearish territory. So again, that was that last minute sell-off. Yesterday I talked about the social media folks. Let's take a look there. What happened today? Boy, look at how they recovered. Especially Yelp. Look at that. It was down 6% yesterday, up 6% today. So pretty volatile there. But one reason why the Nasdaq was up, take a look here. Apple was up. It was up over 2% earlier, and now it has dropped back down in aftermarket here as we record this. All right, let's take a look at the day. This is the S&P 500 daily chart, and what happened was, it was kind of a doji day. Yesterday we closed just below that support line there and resistance line, and now we are closed just below it again. Again, not tremendous amount of volume. I think it was the last trading day for many people in the market. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrials. Again, in that rising wedge, it's still going up there, closed inside the wedge again. Again, this is kind of thunder in the distance, along with the fact that we do have this slight bearish divergence down here with the MACD. We might be at the end of this run or not. We'll have to wait and see. And then we have the Nasdaq. Boy, kaboom, it did close above that trend line in that rising wedge. And it has begun to repair itself down here in the MACD. And so let's go back to the S&P 500 again. And again, we have, it also has this divergence in the MACD, as far as we keep having higher swing highs, but we get to higher swing lows when it comes to MACD on the daily chart. Let's take a look at it on the weekly chart, S&P 500. Look how extended we are on the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're 7 weeks straight, and we're not finished with this week, obviously, but that's a lot of bars in a row. Now down here, it has healed itself. It is getting a higher swing high here on the MACD for the weekly chart, which can trump the lower chart. Well, this is Mark Suffren. I just want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. You may have a joyous time with your family as you gather to give thanks.